Entering the world of woodworking to create furniture and decor pieces for profit can be a highly rewarding venture, both creatively and financially. The craft of making wood furniture is steeped in tradition, yet it offers ample opportunities for innovation and personal expression. As more consumers seek unique, handcrafted items that reflect their values and tastes, the demand for quality wood furniture and decor continues to rise. Understanding the nuances of this business can help aspiring woodworkers turn their passion into a viable source of income. The first step in this journey is developing a solid foundation in woodworking skills. Whether a beginner or someone with some experience, honing craft is essential. Mastering the basics, such as measuring, cutting, shaping, and finishing wood, will not only improve the quality of the finished pieces, but also build confidence in the ability to tackle more complex projects. Taking classes or workshops, either online or in person, can provide valuable hands-on experience. Additionally, investing time in understanding various wood types, their characteristics, and suitable applications can significantly enhance the quality of the work produced. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of trending wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Once the foundational skills are in place, the next phase is to identify a niche within the furniture and decor market. This could involve focusing on specific types of furniture, such as tables, chairs, or storage solutions, or creating decorative items that complement existing furniture pieces. Understanding trends and market demands is essential for ensuring that the products resonate with potential customers. Researching competitors and analyzing their offerings can provide insights into what works and what doesn't. This market analysis will inform not only the types of pieces to create, but also the design styles that appeal to the target audience. Designing pieces that stand out is crucial in a competitive market. Creativity plays a significant role here. A unique design or innovative use of materials can set a product apart from mass-produced alternatives. Drawing inspiration from various sources, such as nature, architecture, or even art, can spark ideas that lead to distinctive creations. Combining traditional techniques with modern aesthetics can also yield exciting results. For instance, blending industrial elements with rustic charm can cater to a diverse customer base while showcasing a unique artistic vision. Quality is paramount in woodworking, especially when creating pieces for sale. Customers are increasingly discerning and willing to pay a premium for items that exhibit craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each piece should be meticulously constructed, ensuring that joints are secure, surfaces are smooth, and finishes are flawless. Quality control throughout the process is crucial. This commitment to quality not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also fosters repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for growing a woodworking business. Sourcing materials is another critical aspect of making wood furniture and decor for profit. Establishing relationships with reliable suppliers can ensure access to quality wood at reasonable prices. It's important to consider sustainability when selecting materials. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious and may prefer products made from sustainably sourced wood. Being transparent about the origin of materials can enhance the brand's reputation and appeal to eco-aware customers. Once the products are crafted, the next step is marketing and selling them. An effective marketing strategy is essential for reaching potential customers. Building an online presence through a dedicated website and social media platforms can showcase the work and attract a following. High-quality photographs of the pieces in various settings can help convey their appeal. Engaging storytelling about the creation process, the materials used, and the inspirations behind the designs can create a deeper connection with the audience. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, and exhibitions can also provide valuable exposure. These venues allow woodworkers to showcase their creations, interact with customers, and receive immediate feedback. Networking with other artisans and local businesses can lead to collaborative opportunities, expanding the reach of the products. Additionally, establishing relationships with interior designers and home decor retailers can open up new avenues for sales. Pricing products appropriately is a crucial factor in ensuring profitability. It's essential to consider not only the cost of materials and labor, but also overhead expenses, such as tools, workspace, and marketing. Conducting a thorough analysis of these costs will help in setting prices that reflect the quality of the work while remaining competitive in the market. Transparency about pricing can also build trust with customers, as they'll understand the value behind handcrafted items. As the business grows, it may become necessary to scale operations. This could involve investing in additional tools, hiring assistants, or even moving to a larger workspace. However, scaling should be approached cautiously. Maintaining the quality of the work is paramount. Expanding too quickly can compromise craftsmanship. Developing efficient workflows and processes can help in managing increased demand without sacrificing quality. In addition to traditional sales avenues, exploring online marketplaces can significantly broaden the customer base. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and other e-commerce sites allow artisans to reach customers beyond their local communities. Creating an engaging online storefront, complete with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews, can enhance credibility and attract buyers. It's also essential to stay informed about the ever-changing landscape of e-commerce, including trends in online shopping and consumer preferences. Building a brand identity is another important aspect of profitability in the woodworking business. A strong brand communicates the values and aesthetics of the products, helping to differentiate them from competitors. This involves developing a cohesive visual identity, including a logo, color palette, and packaging that reflects the essence of the work. Consistency in branding across all platforms, whether online, at craft fairs, or in retail settings, reinforces recognition and trust among consumers. Customer service plays a vital role in the success of a woodworking business. Providing excellent customer support, responding promptly to inquiries, and addressing any issues with products can lead to loyal customers and positive reviews. Encouraging feedback and actively engaging with customers can create a sense of community around the brand. This engagement not only fosters loyalty, but also provides valuable insights into customer preferences and potential areas for improvement. Networking within the woodworking and artisan community can also yield significant benefits. Joining local woodworking groups, participating in online forums, and attending industry events can provide opportunities for collaboration, skill sharing, and mentorship. Connecting with other artisans can inspire new ideas and techniques, helping to refine one's craft further. Additionally, collaborating with other artists can result in unique, joint projects that can attract new audiences and customers. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.